everybody, this is just a quick video just to show you how I've made up my face shield. Thank you to Panel Graphic over in Loddon, who are making hundreds of thousands of these up for our hospitals in the area, people who work in the community, key workers, etc. So fabulous work going on over there. Thank you so much for giving me a few for emergency work that I may be doing. And, you know, I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you how to put this together. It's amazing that it's flat packed as well. Now, with these shields, I've been told that they're cleanable. You can clean them over with all your sanitised products. And they're just so flexible, comfortable as well. So I'll just show you quickly how to fix it up. The instructions are really good as well, so you have the instructions there. I just thought I'd do a quick video just to show you all, really. In the pack, what you get is your shield. You get your forehead strip just across there, your elastic here, which obviously goes round your head and then connects to the other side. There's lots of little slots that you can see in here, so they will fit most people's head. I've got a pea head, so I did need mine on quite short, but that doesn't matter. It's keeping me safe. And what I do as well is I usually wear a mask like this underneath this if I'm out and about doing emergency work. So I wear this just underneath my shield. As well as that, you get two little connectors. So here's the connectors that come in. So you've got your little screw connector and your back of a connector to clip them together. So easy to do. Just take the little white tab, slide it through to meet the other hole. So both those got holes, meet the other hole. Okay, once you've done that, all you need is one with the screw, which just jumped out my hand, one with the screw like, and put that in there. Then the next thing for you to do is to measure your head. Okay, so take this whilst you're holding that, pop that round your head or ask someone to help you with it, and then what you do is once your head's measured, you bring it round, and what I would do is just put it in there. If this bit's too long, then probably what you might want to do is just put it in there again, so it's not in your face and in your way, and then you put your little tab on like that. So there is your mask. It's amazing. It goes away all the way around the sides. You can take the white little wrapping off of here, and that helps with, that's got a little bit of foam underneath, so that helps with the forehead, so it doesn't give you a bad, you know, a rub on it or anything. These are absolutely amazing. So thank you again, Panel Graphic. I'm sure that, you know, we'll get lots of shares, and if anybody could share this post or their post, that'd be amazing. I've got a cat trying to walk in to do, so I apologise for that, but yeah, really easy to do. Take care, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.